Hello, my name is James Thorpe. I'm the editor of International Security Journal. We're on the Ipsotek stand here at Intersec 2024 in Dubai. I'm just joined by Dr. Boghos Boghossian, Sales Director and CTO for Ipsotek. And we also hear some fascinating insights about a really, really interesting case study story, which is happening just up the road at Media One Hotel in Dubai. Boghos, it's great to be catching up again at Intersec. Can you just tell us a little bit about why the Middle East is such an important region to you?
Thank you. As you know, we've been here for quite a long time now, and we keep on, getting surprised year on year how our clients are further investing into technology, into cutting edge capabilities, especially now with the AI introducing a step change to the whole market. But computer vision specifically, AI played a massive role in really giving our clients what they've been probably asking for for many years. Middle East in general, but also specific countries, and UAE of course is one of those, has made it their mission to enhance their citizens' lifestyle and also the country's capabilities through technology. And we play a big role in that, from security, which is absolutely important and it's paramount, but also safety, especially in transportation, airports, etc. But more recently, actually, we're seeing a lot more businesses looking at KPIs that helps them to better run their business, which maybe they know of, but they collected through manual methods, and now through the cameras and AI and CCTV cameras, you could automate all of that and have it in real time, and also enable them to react in real time and better fine-tune their businesses and increase profitability. So those ROIs became much clearer to them, and how they can actually maybe change product positioning, and immediately you'll see in the dashboards what effect that had, or close a certain gate, open another one, and make sure that certain demographics are in a certain location. All of these are tools that we're giving our clients, and I'll go back and say, look, you've got biggest malls in this region, you've got a lot of attractions, and you have anything from retail crowds, management type solutions, to also safety, security, and the business solutions as well. So it's an amazing location around the world to be in, and of course we're very grateful that we have the trust of our clients, the governments, and we would like to continue investing as well in this region.
Fantastic. And obviously you touched on computer vision from Ipsotek then. Can you just give us a bit of an overview about the technologies, some of that you're showcasing at the event today, and also just about what your kind of focus is from a technology perspective this year?
Sure. So, always it's difficult to talk about some of those things which are still around the corner and confidential, but I had a chat yesterday where someone asked me, has AI hit the ceiling now? Is there, what else do we expect? And we believe it hasn't, and there's quite a lot happening, and our labs are working on the next generation of AI capabilities. What I would like to say is, we've seen in the last 6 months generative AI becoming a big buzzword, and we immediately looked at how that technology can help our systems, be it either having language models for simplifying configuration, to all the way to actually deploying it in real time and benefiting from the Gen AI capabilities. And we've got a demo here, I don't know if you've seen it, where we anonymize faces using Gen AI, and that's very interesting to some of our clients, where they have either VIPs or etc. on site, and they don't want them to be recognized, so the faces get changed on the fly. But that's one aspect of it. What also we're seeing, from a technology perspective, is scale is becoming a very interesting challenge. So while we did deploy some large projects, but the adoption is exponentially increasing. So our technology and architecture is also changing, and also bringing some cloud to edge capabilities in there as well. So it's not only in the direction of AI and etc. But you have to think about the whole ecosystem when you're deploying a product, from initial deployment to maintenance to ongoing support, etc. So we're working throughout, and AI actually plays a role there as well. So imagine deploying a 5,000 camera system, and you cannot configure every single one. So we're using AI to automate that and then be able to do that in one click. So this is where our investment has gone for a few years now, and these are the technologies available within our product right now.
Fantastic. Boghos, thank you for speaking with me today. I really appreciate catching up with you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Can you tell us a little bit about your partnership and your work together on the Media One project in Dubai?
Hi there, this is Mohammed Makiya. I'm the Operation Director for the Middle East, Ipsotek. So basically we started this as a tailored and customized solution for the Media One hotel. And we have with us here Ali, he's the security manager of Media One. So basically we have to meet with all the stakeholders related to from the management, security, IT, and we need to understand what are the scope of work related to the pain points, let's say, or how we benefit the solution in terms of computer vision related to the hospitality. So we had a multiple kind of workshop and meeting with Ali, with F&B management and the operation, and we kind of tailored some solution around how they benefit from the camera already exist around the hotels. So with that, basically they had some issues around events, what sort of capacity, how far are they going there, and demographics from the face recognition on those events, what sort of age group they are trying to target.
Yeah.
This will benefit them later on in the marketing campaigns when they do certain events. In terms of operation, if the service desk has been optimized to the max, if there's somebody is behind the service desk as a KPI that, let's say, 5 or 10 minutes that they need to serve the customer in order not to build the queue around the service desk. The same with the concierge at the parking lot during the weekend, and it's getting crazy around certain timing, around 9-10 o'clock when the crowd builds up. So we give them some sort of a report, automated report, to ramp up resources around those kind of times to make sure the customer experience is going to the max. So all these, we're coming from the security background. We were targeting airports and more government, but when we started meeting with Ali and his team and the IT and the operation from the Media One, it kind of opened our eyes to a different kind of solution that we're not there, but it is possible. And that's how we started the experience, including the F&B. They want to know how many in and out customers in certain times. So this goes back on the ordering of the food as well. You see how things are linked. And that's what we're talking about. And Ali and his team were really crucial in that. You want to add something, Ali?
Yeah, well, to be honest, the first thing when the project is coming to us as the operation for security, this is the first time we get this lovely technology. It helps us a lot, especially with the watch list. Let's call them the blacklisted gays, troublemakers. The good thing, you get alerted once he comes through any of the camera. The team immediately gets the alarm, either through the SMS or through the email or through the images, which help the security who's in the side to make action immediately. When it's coming for the term of the face recognitions, what we like with the option what you have provided to us, the accurate number for the time being of the guest who been in and out. And the other option, what I liked the mostly about the in-attendant subject, which is the desk, if somebody from the team is not available and the guest waiting in the waiting area, where it gives the alert for the management to do immediately the action. Those things, without manning, it help us to give the customer the best services. What I like also with the traffic management alert, which as you know, we don't have in every sectors in the parking area, especially the rush time, security. So the alert, it helps the duty security in charge to analyze and to place exactly the number of security required, especially with the rush time. What else would I would like to see about this system? What I like about the report, what is giving is accurate report, especially for the entry point of the vehicles, total vehicles, number of the vehicles comes in, including the trucks, including the normal cars, which is in and out, and even if there's a stay overnight vehicles, it gives the team to go direct and find this vehicle. This is one of the things. One of the things I tested as well, I received the always the alert in my mobile event. I can show you evidence that I'm immediately once one of the EVIBs selected in the system being passed in any area in the hotels or before arrival, even we have through the plate number, it gives us the preparation to do the action. This is, to be honest, this is the first time we have such this lovely system, especially with that, and we hope that it be implemented not only in the operation time, to be implemented the whole sectors, especially when it's come, for example, for the total number of the people in the building. This is the most important element for the evacuation, to get the total number of people in the building before the evacuation, to do evaluation before the government involved. So what I think, we need to work more close to the Syria government to be implemented such this thing in the hotel sector, because it helps the security to give the right decisions, which is great, to be honest.
That's really fantastic insights. And I mean, I was just going to say, back to you for a second, Mohammed, and obviously as such a big solutions provider in the region and across the world, how important is it to offer that kind of ease of use as well as the security benefits? Because you touched on how your solutions are capable of enhancing efficiency, integrating different departments and really working to help people manage workflows and streamline operations. How important is that to you as a business?
It is very important, and in general, like when we ease the operator experience, especially now we hear it from Ali direct, he's the security of the Media One hotel. When we provide them instantaneous report about events, about their operation, this will bring value to the hotel, and the star rating of the hotel is going to go up. Actually, also, I remember during about 2 months ago, we participated in the audits of the security audit. And I told Ali what sort of audit that it's going to be on the security. And we showed that this brings, again, value and ROI. Because if the customer see the value and he has a pleasant experience with the hotel, it's a win-win. So it's a two-way track. And also what he mentioned, he touched bases on the customized report. I met Ali, I met the IT. We always customize some sort of a dashboard and say, the GM, I said, I don't want to go and plug the dashboard. I want to receive it on my WhatsApp. And we started thinking of sending a PDF file that can be opened from any mobile on instantaneously. Previously, this experience was not there. Everything is on a call, through phone, manual process. But now when you automate things, I think this brings value, and you're bridging the gap between operation, user experience, and us as a vendor. This will open our eyes into more discussion and more solution tailored specifically for the Media One or the hospitality in general. And this is how we're going to promote it going forward. So I would say we are, with this also AI, as we discuss also training some AI models specifically for their staff. We know if this staff goes into certain, let's say, zone or VIP area, he's allowed. But if somebody else, he's not allowed, through the face recognition, through the profile and the clothing. All this was not there before, prior to AI. And now we're talking Gen AI, and that's the next phase we're talking about. So I would say...
So it's quite, you can bespoke it to each application. I just wanted to quickly touch on that.
Customize it. We are proud of ourselves and being agile. We can turn things around quickly. He's talking directly to me. I'm talking sometimes to the GM. I say, can you give me an insight into this, and how does it look like? And he just give me from the top level what sort of things that he needs for the hospitality to make the operation and the user experience better going forward. And when I talk to Ali or the IT team, what's available at this stage to implement the solution. So this is a win-win. And sometimes if they have a budget to upgrade some certain areas with more cameras or no, so they're gonna put that into account for the next year budget. So it's a trust relationship. We share ideas. We are on the phone all the time. We did a lots of workshop, and that's what it's a beautiful experience. Let's say that's what.
Yeah. To be honest, when I was coming by before you called me, I received a call from the AMC Signatex company who's handling the camera. They want to check with you how they can cooperate in certain manner, to use this technology, because they are not handling only one section of Media One Hotel. Just before I came, I told them I'm going to the Intersec right now. I'm going to discuss this one, and this is great opportunity to prove for them that I'm discussing this one with you. So yeah, in the operation, right? To be honest, it helped us a lot. It make the right decisions and give you accurate numbers, and there were what we need, to be honest, for security, to have the technology being implemented, not only to be in the sector of the government or the private sector. The hospitality must have this technology to help them for the future. So yeah, it's a great thing.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. It sounds like a really fantastic success story, and I wish you continued success with it. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Cheers.